In the cheerful jungle, Chiki struts about preening his feathers, while Tikki observes quietly. Chiki spots a shiny nut on the jungle floor. Look, I found treasure. Chiki soars through the jungle sky, proudly displaying his nut. Tikki warns, Chiki, the sky looks stormy. Let's find shelter. Ignoring the warning, Chiki retorts, I'm not scared of a few clouds. The sky darkens ominously as storm clouds gather. In the heart of the jungle, a fierce storm unleashes its fury, with rain and wind tearing through the trees. Chiki struggles against the storm, his wings heavy with rain as he cries out in desperation. Tikki battles through the storm, swooping in to guide Chiki towards safety. Grab on! Chiki and Tikki take shelter from the raging storm. Chiki shivers, his expression one of shame, as Tikki tenderly preens his wet feathers. Next time, I will listen before I squawk. Chiki's voice is soft. Sunlight streams through the jungle canopy, illuminating Chiki and Tikki perched on a branch. Chiki chatters excitedly, then pauses, glancing at Tikki before taking flight. Tikki smiles, a gentle breeze rustling through the leaves.